video will show you how to use a couple tools I like to call the fun tools. For this, you'll want to get a picture of something colorful. I picked a colorful bird. The first tool I'm going to show you is called Disperse. You can draw over an area you want the image and want it to explode and disperse into thousands of pieces. So I'm going to click on Disperse. There's two choices, mask and effect. It says mask area first. So basically you have to choose what area, and what they need the mask is what area you want to be editing. So I'm going to use the head. Now you can also change the size of the pixels. Notice it's changing the size of the area that I can pick. So smaller, it's a smaller area. So if you want to mask a bigger area, make your target bigger. So I'm going to mask my area and see how you can see I'm wiping over a certain area and it's kind of making it lighter. And when I let go, this is how it disperses. Now you can play with a couple things. Right here, and also I'm going to go to my navigator so I can slide in so you can see better. Right now the dispersed pieces are like these little crosses. If I click on it, it changes the shape of the dispersed pieces. Okay, so that's one option. You can also play under the options menu with how many things you want dispersed. So notice as I say amount, it gives me more disbursement pieces. It's still in the shape. Look, if I click on the heart, it'll go back to the heart. So scale makes them the actual pieces bigger. Okay, notice you can only make certain amounts. So if I have smaller pieces, it lets me make more amounts, but like I said, the scale is the size of the pieces, the amount is how many pieces. Stretch, I'm not sure what the stretch does. It does change. Oh, if I back out, we'll probably be able to see the stretch one better. Sorry about this. So if we go here and you stretch, so it's stretching out how much over. So watch, narrower, wider. Direction, I assume it's going to play with the direction of the pieces. And spread is, I guess, how spread out they are. So really what I always say with these different tools is when you have different options, and if I don't like anything, you can hit reset and it went back to the beginning. So that's the good part. You don't like it, you can always reset it. So this disbursement tool, like I said, size picks the size. You pick the area you want to disperse. So maybe this time I want to disperse the feathers on the chest. Okay, I can go in here and still play with the options after. Maybe I want them to be these. And like, look how busy that is. Maybe I need to scale back my sizes, have less of them. So you play with the different features to see how you like what they're looking like. So that is the Disperse. The other fun tool that you're going to use is called Liquify. So basically you grow and shrink and push parts of your image to make subtle adjustments or big adjustments. So here I am on Liquify, and you have three different methods. This is the direction that it's going to liquefy. So my suggestion with the Liquify is use your navigator and narrow in. So remember, the navigator is over here. You have the red box. It moves you wherever you are on your image, and you could zoom in to see better. So see how you can see the liquefaction. Now, so this moved this direction. So you also can pick the size you want of the area you want to liquefy. So obviously the bigger number, you have a bigger circle. And you can pick the strength. So to show you, I'm going to do the strength way up so you can really see the differences. So here is, if I liquefy out, if I just press, see how everything kind of liquefies out. This is going to do the opposite. It's going to bring everything in. See how it's sucking everything in? This makes things swirl. So you can move these also as they go. I'm just holding them still, so this is swirling one way. then this is going to swirl the other way. Now if I back this picture out, you get the different effects. I forgot actually what this one does. This one, I guess it just kind of drags things around. So you've got your different ways of liquefying, the size, and the strength. So that is Liquify, that's Disperse and Liquify.